a bridal couple would need for their wedding in flowers. You have to start off with the ceremony. Do you want flowers in your chapel? Do you prefer having an open industrial look with just confetti leaves? And then also when you move over to the reception side, you need floral arrangements on your table. Would it be hanging from the ceiling or just laid down on a table on a spread? Also bouquets, buttonholes, bridesmaid bouquets, we've got flower girls. So there's plenty of different options depending on what type of wedding do you have. Would it be intimate? Is it going to be extravagant wedding? Also what suits your personality the best. The one thing, in my opinion, that influences the wedding flowers the most is Pinterest. Unfortunately, it's not a South African website and it's got the most beautiful decorations on and flowers, but they all are imported. So when the bride wants the imported flowers, it is definitely going to be expensive, whether it's a small wedding or if it's an extravagant wedding. Normally, when you work out a budget, it goes on the amount of flowers you want to use. Whether you want to keep it plain and simple with more greenery than you would with flowers, or if you want an excessive table that's got floral runners and flowers hanging from the ceiling. I would say what influences it the most would be your theme, as well as whether you want imported flowers or locally produced flowers. To budget for a wedding, for an intimate wedding, 20 guests, I would say no more than 3,000 to 4,000 Rand, depending on whether you're going to make the chapel full of flowers as well as the reception. Medium weddings, I would say no less than 10,000 Rand, because obviously you're going to have bridesmaids, you're going to have flower girls, more tables. You have to think about the amount of tables as well when you work into a budget of what you want to spend on the wedding. Extravagant weddings or larger weddings, no less than 20,000 to 30,000 Rand, because it's going to depend on the amount of flowers you use. The more decor on the table, the more flowers will be used, so it will be more expensive. The pros of arranging your own wedding flowers are basically just that you are able to save money, whether that is a part of the wedding that you want to do is great. If you have a passion for it, or if you want to spend that time with some of your close friends to do it before the wedding day, it's great. I don't really have more pros to it, because the cons is a big list. Brides need time to get ready for their big day, makeup, hair, dressing. You also spend money on your nails, and now you do flowers the morning of your wedding and you have to redo your nails. So there's a big list of cons that you can work on with not doing your own flowers, and sometimes it's going to cost you more than you would have saved by doing it yourself.